Requesting again the dignitaries to give the awards. Chris Martin and Daya with high honors. Martin is also a recipient of Leadership Award, Best in Math, First Placer, Science Quiz History Level, First Placer, News Writing Latino District Level, and Drum Corps Loyalty Award. Requesting the parents to put on the medal. In alphabetical order, Sophia Marie S. Achas with honors.
Our school's division superintendent representative, Dr. Celieto Magsayo, sir. Our keynote speaker, Ms. Maika P. Sanchez, ma'am. Our public schools district supervisor, Mrs. Eva C. Hilaran. Our principal, Mrs. Evie M. Amato, ma'am. Barangay officials, teachers, parents, co-graduates, good morning. It seems that it was only yesterday that we have made our first step in this school. Not only we learn many things, but enjoy the process of being molded into fine and well-equipped individuals ready to face the world challenges. Today is the happiest moment in our lives. As I see in your faces, your sacrifices and hard work had been paid off for 7 long years in coming to school. Congratulations! We've done it! We are all ready to take the next big step in life. I wish we continued success and happiness in all we do. I know how hard we have worked throughout our time in San Martin Integrated School. Our accomplishments are even more impressive as we carried them out during our elementary years. Let's always pray to our Savior that the success we have received today will be greater ahead of us. So in behalf of the graduates batch 2024, allow us to say thank you, parents, for your unending support, love, and guidance. To our teachers, see us, the fruit of your patience and sacrifices in nurturing our young minds to prepare for a better and promising tomorrow. Thank you so much, teachers, for your love, understanding, and being our second parents. Co-graduates, let's not just thank God for our diploma today, but ask Him, pray for Him for another diploma in high school and another one in college, so that 10 years from now, we will go back to this alma mater as successful individuals. To our alma mater, we won't leave you with tears in our eyes in this special moment, but with happiness and joy. Deep in our hearts, you shall always be remembered. Thank you and congratulations.